Yo, some subscribers, welcome back to the channel. You don't know me people, it's all about Jamaican farmers. It's been a while, but you don't know when man busy, man get busy, don't it? So if you're new here, my name is Everton. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, it's all about seeding. As a farmer, when you plant anything, leave it 1 and 2 plant to seed so that you can plant back. As you can see here, I'm in front some callaloo seed here. Leave the callaloo to seed so you can plant it back. Alright, people? Big up on yourself, you know. Stick and stay on the channel to see what's coming next. It's all about seed here today.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yes, my people, first thing first, you don't know. Do you guys remember the little patch of sweet potato? You notice the leaves are changing colors. That means potato is there, don't it? Make me go in a Jamaican terms. Potato down there. Alright, Altia, big up yourself, you know. Come on, you come up, help me dig out this, you know. Little patch of sweet potato here. Yeah, my people, as you can see. Yeah, man, we're on the organic farm. Yeah, and it's all about seed here today. Yeah, man, pumpkin. Pumpkin run all walks of life. You know what I mean? Yeah, tomato, cowboy tomatoes. Let me show you a nice pretty red one. Look at that. Yes, man, I'm going to eat it right now, brother. Yeah, man, I have to eat this one. This one is mine. Yeah? Alright, my people. When I just start this organic farm, I plant a root of cane here. I'm going to show you the root of this cane, my people. Look at the root of this cane, my people. Whoa, yo. Hopeful and mighty, don't it? Yeah, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big root inside here. Yeah. So you don't know me people. It's all about Jamaican farmers. You know what I mean? Okra is kind of out now. So 1 and 2 still, you know, 1 and 2 still patch out see when we can cook. Yeah. Because this one, look, you notice? Easy to bend, soft, very soft. Very soft. Yeah. That means it's ready, it can cook. It is a big breed okra. Yeah, this is the okra that I have it in 13-inch long. 15-inch long. Yes. Ready to eat. Yeah, man. So you don't know it's all about seed day. Yeah. Not balls day, no. It's all about seed day. Yeah, my people. So look at this. I'm Stacy. Big up yourself, you know, Stacy. Yeah, man. My people, new channel. On the scene. Doing good. Yeah. Random sweetipuss. Yeah. Check out that channel. Random sweetipuss. Yeah. I want to leave the link in the description. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for that channel. It is a nice, beautiful channel. Random sweetipuss. Nice channel, my people. Yeah, it's a female, so you don't know. It's gonna be epic. Alright. This is pop chow. Pop chow, this is my people. Show you from the root. Yeah. Pop chow. Leave it to seed. So all these here are seeds. You know what I mean? Look green, so I'm gonna leave it. Check this one out. Looking very tall, don't it? It's all about pop chow. Pop chow seed. So I'm gonna leave it because it look green. Once it's gonna get look brownish like it start to dry, yeah, I'm gonna cut it off, put it into bag to dry. Extra dry, so I can plant it back. Yeah, my people. It's all about. And if you notice, the sweet potato, it'll run everywhere. It'll be everywhere. Make a zoom in and show you the vine. Notice. Yeah, man. It'll run everywhere, my people. Look. It'll run everywhere. Now play with it. I have a pop chow lately planted inside here. Look at it. Looking good, don't it? Yeah, man. I saw me do it, you know. Yeah, man. You don't know. We have the original big farmer. Yeah. We call him Ras Moses. I'm not. Yeah, man. For real. Yeah, my people. Alright, now, my people. So, look more from this. I have a hand of banana down there. Yes, and I have a little piece of saltfish inside the fridge door because I have to keep it in the fridge door to keep it warm and nice and spicy. Alright, so little more now, I come look 2 okra. Yeah, I'm going to cut them 2 stalk of callaloo here. I'm going to drop 1 root of pop chow. Oh, my son, my people. I tell you, man, it's all about the organic farm and we're there. Yeah, and we have big farmer over the side. We have a next big farmer. And what's name again? And call him Marston. Yeah, man. A big farmer. And you notice how in ground not having no whole for green, but he just start out. Yeah, man. Poochie! Big up yourself, Poochie. Big up yourself. You a farmer, Poochie? Alright, cool. Yeah, man. Ratted. Yo, Rasta that draw smoke, you look like he look like he rings now going well. Alright, people. Back to the channel now. You see this now? Check this out. The callaloo. Yeah, leave them to seed. Leave them to seed, my people. Leave them to seed. So, I have a couple little more of my plant lately. Because you know, say me a thousand and me alone. So, I don't plant too much. And I give away to people also. Same way. So, you don't know. Yeah? Alright. I touch down the line, you know. Alright. These are my garlic. Yeah? You see how them look? Almost ready. Yeah. Garlic almost ready. Yes, my people. I go through the plantation. Yes, man. Ratted. But me people, me nearly cuss bad word, me people. No, me people. Me people, look ya. Jesus, hey. Papa Jesus, me people. Look ya. I never know some bunking the beer already. Me people have a go on ya. Jesus, you couldn't tell me. I'll tell you, couldn't tell me say pumpkin the beer already. I never know because true me so busy on the construction work, you know. My God, Stacy, watch there. Pumpkin. Oh my, yo, let me tell you something, man. We have to plant. Me people, me the one, you know, we have to plant. I never know, say me have pumpkin on this vine here. I never know. But kuya me people, but Papa Jesus. Me know this one. Me know this one. I did get a piece of black pumpkin from the market. And I say, no man, I have to plant toward the seed. Here it is. Here it is. Whoa! I see a next one. But it look like it gone. Yeah, that one now go come. The bird never checked that one. If me did see that one, I would have pollinate that one, my people. Whoa! It have to be more pumpkin here now, my people. If me never come do this video, me who see say pumpkin a beer pan me vine. Whoa! Massive! Gonna come here. Pumpkin supposed to hit in the inside here. The last time I find pumpkin inside here when heavy all the vine dry away. That is the time when I find pumpkin inside here. And when I cut it, it red like I can't tell you, my people. Alright now. I don't know if you guys remember in my previous video with my Irish potato. Yes. Once you see the Irish potato start to blossom, yeah, you know something is going on underneath the earth there, don't it? So yes, just need a little more rainfall. I'm waiting for it. You don't know me, people. It's all about farming. This is my Irish potato fridge. But you don't know one corn grain get we and drop inside there and look. Watch corn here. Let me zoom in and show you. You see that? I want corn that, you know. Oh, things me have play corn in a fridge. So it's set up, man. When you're a farmer, you're just farmer. Stop farm, fool and farm. You have two chocho over here, me people, to sprout. A chocho hard to catch, me people. Yeah? You see that? Chocho hard to catch. Chocho hard to catch, me people. So I put them there for sprout. So when them sprout, me plant them. Yeah. John Star pumpkin. Pumpkin, me people. In my previous video, don't know if you remember. This was a piece of limb. Yeah, ram goat dash along, we call it ram goat national here in Jamaica. I get a little piece of a limb. It is a very powerful plant, you know, especially to the male. Alright, so yes, I soak it in water for 5 days and then plant it. This is it. Start to blossom, looking lovely. Alright, yes, my people. I want to go search and see if we can't see any more pumpkin, but the place is so crowded. Yeah, man. So crowded. This is my merengue plant. This is my merengue plant, my people. Growing very tall. Almost reach at my shoulder. Yeah? Alright. This is our next miracle plant again. The blue vervain. Notice these purple blossom? Yeah, the blue vervain. See? Very powerful plant that again. Of corn, you know, when you want to know if you can't fit, you go so. Feel it, ain't tough? You know, so you really can't eat. But yes, my people, I'll go and man go check your pumpkin, but I go wait till the sun cool. Yeah, watch the corn. Watch the corn in the fridge. I'm a corn that in the fridge, you know. Fridge can that, yeah? So yes, my people. It's all about we have to plant something. It's a corn of a year now. Yeah man, me have corn all angles of life because I don't plant everything one time. You don't know? Yeah. Me a man, me love me cocoa. Me have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 root of cocoa on this line. So you see right here is a water drain. I need some dasheen. So I'm going to the market, buy 2 pound of dasheen, come back and cut it up, put it underneath the soft grass to cool and then sprout, then plant it. I have a pumpkin sprout out from here. I don't know how it catch there, but there is a pumpkin catch here. Yeah? And watch it. The pumpkin that, you know, soon start to bear, you know. Yeah, soon start to bear. Yeah, what I mean, man. So yes, my people, don't forget to check out the new channel, Random Sweetipuss. Check it out. My people, me in the fridge with the carrots. Yeah, this is all my carrots that I did plant. But you notice them get dry down? That means the carrot is inside here. And you see like how I say I go cook a little more? My people, I want to go on here. But my people, then my people, rotted. Oh God, you had food, big up yourself here. Yeah man, wild rich, it's been a while. Self-care. Whoa. Telling my people, watch out. Watch out man. Carrot. Oh my people. So there are carrot there too. This one is not too big. Yes, my people. Yes, my people. I have to plant something. Nice, don't it? Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Cleveland, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Up on the ice there. Yeah. All who don't hear them name, big up on yourself, same way, you know. I don't know where I go already. It's been a while. I'm not up on the scene. Did want to go live, but Wi-Fi not so proper. So you don't know. Carrot them not too big, but them can heat. Them can heat. Them not too big, but them can eat. Don't it? What you mean? When we put in a soup, call police. Yeah, my people. Me want to see when me put them peanuts still inside here, you know. When me put this in the soup, just wash it very properly and put it in the red pea soup. Watch it. And you know, so me take up the red peas them already. Yeah. I have red peas there, man. Me take up red peas and put them to dry, extra dry, enough to replant. Yeah, man. When you're farming, man, you don't buy seed every day. That is not good. Try to get some seed out of the farm, that things that you plant, make them seed back. Yeah. So you get the thing organic. Yeah, my people. My cauliflower here now going nothing. You want some more water because the sun is very hot on it right now. A little more, it gone up in the air, but it not put out no fruit. No put out no fruit. I plant this pumpkin lately. I go to the market and buy a piece of pumpkin. And I forgot it on the stove and it boil and boil and boil and boil until it boil. And I know it don't break in two. If you understand. So I said, no, this is a nice pumpkin. I come and I plant about 4 seed of plant here, but 3 catch. That is not bad. So you do it. When I go to market and buy pumpkin and it's nice, I go I'll buy some more, plant the seed. Yeah? This is the next miracle plant, the leaf of life. Don't forget that the leaf of life is good to make tea. You break a piece of it, put it in the kitchen, make it go and simmer, and go and quail for a couple of days before plant. Before plant, before make a tea. You make a tea with that, you're good to go. So yes, my people, right now I can dig potato, you know. Right now if I want to bake a pudding, I can dig potato. But I'm not ready yet. Alright? Notice this tomato that I picked the tomato from. You see the amount of sprout? Yeah. So when you plant things and water it and keep it organic, yeah, it spring naturally. It's all about Mother Nature, my people. Yeah? Yeah, man. Want to go vital, you have to eat ital. Sight? Yeah, man. So yes, my people, you don't know, you know. It's all about Jamaican farmers hut. Don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out the new channel. Yeah? Random Sweetipuss. Don't forget to check out that channel. Nice channel, my people. When you go on that channel, you don't want to leave. Alright? So yes, my people, my name is Ever Slick and me dead there. But me gone here now. Seen? Not left Jamaica still. Soon in our next video, yeah? Blessings.
Jamaican farmers hut.
Jamaican farmers hut.
Ready, we ready and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.